Now, let's get started. Open the lid of your printer by depressing the button on the top of the unit. Inside will be an empty ribbon cassette. Please note that the ribbon cassette is marked showing the supply side and the take-up side of the ribbon. Also marked is the top of the ribbon cassette. Inside every ribbon box is a free cleaning roller, which snaps into place on the front of the ribbon cassette. IDP's ribbons are marked with a sticker showing the part and serial numbers. Make sure that this label corresponds with the matching image in the ribbon cassette. Then just slide it in and snap it into position. Reinstall the ribbon and cassette into the printer with the marked top up and with the cleaning roller to the front of the printer. Your printer holds 100 cards in the input hopper. Open the hopper lid, gently fan the cards, and place them into the hopper. Your printer also allows you to adjust the feed gate to accept cards between 15 and 40 mils thick. By default, the printer is set to 30 mil cards.